On this very merry Make It With Calvin Christmas, we're going to be talking about this, the little mini single extruder elf model. Now, I will say that one slight issue I ran into this was, I believe it was the ears and the feet did have a slight problem with not sitting perfectly flat on the build bed. So make sure you take care of that in your slicer. But once that was solved, the print itself actually went very quickly and very well. Now, the assembly of this is relatively simple. I just used some 3D Gloop that was mentioned in another video. Card will pop out somewhere up there on that. And painting this is very simple. Now, the fact that it is in pieces means you can either print everything as its own color, or you can just do what I did and slap some Rust-Oleum antique red on here and then just paint the feet with a Sharpie. Do what the heck you want. This is also a fun little painting craft with children. Just make sure that obviously they don't try and eat any of the small components because they are pretty tiny. But it's a fun little print that you can just leave around the house and mess with people with or things like that. It's fun enough that Ashley over at Chip Builds actually asked me to print up a couple of these and throw them into her Christmas prints box. So, you know, I think I'm going to make a couple more for myself because I got to admit he's pretty cool.